2021-2022 school year here at Rockdale Magnet School for Science and Technology. I'm Mrs. Amanda Baskett, your director, and I'm so excited to work with all of our students this year as we continue to bring challenge, opportunity, and distinction to life here at Rockdale Magnet. Our vision here at Rockdale Magnet is to prepare students to be STEM leaders in a world of accelerated change. And we'll do so not only through our awesome classes, but also through an exciting extracurricular program that includes over 20 clubs and teams that our students can participate in. We are excited for our Magnet family to be together in person this year and to have you join us. So I look forward to learning more about Magnet through our open house, whether virtually or in person, and then throughout the year at our many parent and student workshops. And please reach out anytime that you have questions. We are here to support your student and your family in reaching your goals.
Hi, this is our Magnet front office. This is where our director and our assistant director are. Anytime you need any information about the school, be sure to come in here.
Hi, welcome to our math hall. This is where most of the Magnet math teachers are. All attending Magnet students have to take 4 years of Magnet math with at least 1 year of Calculus AB. We also have a magnificent math team that competes and wins many awards yearly.
Hi, this is our Magnet cafetorium. You are able to come in here to eat lunch, and also we have many different events in here such as assemblies. You're also able to come down here in the morning when you get off of your buses.
And upcoming right now, we have the Learning Commons.
This is our Learning Commons where students can come in and study in groups with their friends, and also there are clubs that meet in here, for example, Magnet the Gathering.
As we leave the Learning Commons, we come up on the alumni wall. This is where every senior class takes a picture that we hang up so we can remember them as each class leaves. Coming up on my left, we're finna go on into a science class, so come on with me.
Welcome to the chemistry lab. At Magnet, every student has to take chemistry during their 4 years. And here at Magnet, we believe in a lot of hands-on activities and experiences. It's really exciting.
Our mission at Rockdale Magnet School is to be a research-focused learning community. And this encompasses all that we do at Magnet. And our research program sets us apart with our classes and the projects that our students do. We are so excited to welcome our 10th through 12th graders back into our labs and for you to be able to conduct your experiments here. And for our Research 1 students, freshmen, you'll be doing a survey across all the many areas of science and engineering so that you can design your own project in the spring. Research is a way of looking at the world so that we not only understand what is known now, but we ask questions that no one has even asked perhaps before, and then get in the lab or get in the field to go about expanding the knowledge that's out there and adding new information. And that's what we do here in research. And I'm excited for it to happen and to see all the wonderful things that you accomplished this year at Magnet.
Behind me, you can see the Magnet Square. We have the majority of our literature classes, and we have a couple science and math courses down there that you can take.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Corey Williams, your Assistant Director here at the Rockdale Magnet School for Science and Technology, and welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. We're so excited for our students to be back in the building full time. Behind us is our PBIS matrix, where our motto is responsible, respectful, on time, and ready to learn. We have these expectations because we want our students to be in the classroom and really be engaged in learning so they can learn all amazing things in all of their classes. We're so excited for you to be here, and we can't wait to see you.